Now that you have your Arlo Security Light set up, it's time to optimize the performance of your Arlo system. The Arlo Bridge is the core of your Arlo Security Light System. It connects the security lights to the Arlo cloud, so you can control the lights from anywhere, receive instant notification alerts, and trigger other Arlo devices. Your bridge needs to be within your router's Wi-Fi zone, while the light can be outside of Wi-Fi coverage if it's within range to the bridge. The bridge to light range is up to 100 feet, but may vary due to the layout of your home, the number of walls in between, and building materials, like wood, brick, and glass. To get a good idea of the bridge coverage zone in your home environment, use the rangefinder test. In the Arlo app, tap the gear icon beside the desired light and scroll down to rangefinder test. Slide the switch on and walk to the area you plan to place the light in. The light will blink green if it's in range, or it will start blinking red as soon as it's out of range. The bridge placement in your home relative to the lights is essential to get the best performance from your system. If the lights are situated on the opposite sides of your house, place the bridge in the middle. However, if the lights are on the same side of the house, place the bridge closer to that side and in between the lights. If you have multiple lights around your property and one of the lights shows up as offline, try to first find a better location for your bridge. The system is designed to be flexible. You can change the configuration of your setup anytime, and you can easily add another bridge to expand the coverage zone for your entire group of lights. Here's how to set it up. In the Arlo app, tap Add Device, Arlo Security Light, then tap Arlo Bridge. Follow the steps to add the bridge. To assign an existing light from an old bridge to a new bridge, you'll need to remove the light from your Arlo account first and add it back again. In the Arlo app, go to Settings, tap My Devices, select the desired light paired with the previous bridge, then scroll down and tap Remove Device. To add this light to the new bridge, tap Add Device, Arlo Security Light, then Arlo Security Light once again. Select the new bridge and follow the steps to finish connecting the light. You can customize your Arlo Security Light system to secure larger properties, providing peace of mind for you and your family. For more information and tips on the Arlo Bridge and Security Light, visit support.arlo.com and the Arlo YouTube channel.